I stumbled upon a newspaper article about a school in Alabama, and they had just completed their own STEM bus initiative there. It had mentioned a company that they partnered with, Power Up EDU. Looking at that and realizing that other schools across the country were doing some pretty cool things STEM-wise, I approached our superintendent of schools at the time, Mr. Meredith.
First thing they asked me, can we have a bus, an older bus, to make a mobile STEM lab? They got to tell me about all the things that would be inside the STEM bus and outside the STEM bus.
At the time, it was just a vision of transforming an old school bus into a STEM lab.
My response was, no, you can't have an old bus, but let's do this right and let's build a bus from scratch.
And we actually got to design a custom STEM bus, which we were able to outfit it to our needs.
So that's how we got started.
It really has given kids an opportunity to learn hands-on in a completely different way. Boxlight and Power Up EDU have provided that to us, and our kids have absolutely loved it. They have learned to code as early as pre-K and kindergarten. We have 3rd and 4th graders printing on the 3D printers. They can't wait to come to class to keep working on their project. These things have given us the opportunity to connect that for students, the real world, to those core classes through STEM education and Power Up EDU.
We don't want students just to be a multiple choice, fill in the blank, test-taking robots. We want them to produce and create. It creates that light bulb moment for the students. You don't get the light bulb from taking a test. You get the light bulb from being hands-on. I would encourage other schools to create these hands-on learning opportunities for their students as well.
My youngest one, it's opened his mind to just like endless possibilities. He loves every time they bring something new in, he loves to play with it.
I like to do the 3D print. Mostly the 3D designs. Yeah. STEM makes us curious and we find new things, new words. You can make whatever you like. Maybe we might be a scientist one day. I love the STEM bus.
This is something that excites them, and if you get kids excited about it, they're going to learn.